Okay, this video is going to take you through the booking process for the Trinity Digital Grade exam. We're going to go to booking.trinitycollege.com, which is the link that you'll have been sent. And you won't be logged in, but that doesn't matter. Don't worry about that. We'll deal with that later. We're going to click on Book Exam. In this section, select an exam. We're going to go down here to Classical and Jazz and click Select. Now on this page, this is the candidate information page. This is the student and the exam. We're going to select from instrument. We're going to select classical guitar. Make sure it says classical guitar, not any of the other guitars. Classical guitar. From this one, our candidate is doing grade 1 in this case, but if you're doing initial, you select initial. You should look at the information that you've been sent. And here we're going to select technical work. Make sure you select technical work. Candidate information, we'll pop the first name in. In this case, thank you very much to Aaron, who we're using as a demonstration. Let's pop that there. Select the date of birth. There we go. And we are putting the candidate email here. This is your email address. Let's pop that in there. Okay, now we're ready to click next. On we go. Now, applicant. The applicant is the person who's booking the exam, so this is you. So it's not the same as the candidate. This is only if the student themselves is over 18, they can do it. But for us, this is you. Now I'm doing this one, so I'm going to put my details in here, but you put your details in this section. And it's auto-filling it rather. Once that's done, on we go. Now we have the submitter, which can be a different person from the applicant. This is the person who's actually going to upload the actual video file at the end of all this on a different site. Normally it's the same person, which it is going to be in our case. So we are going to click Same as Applicant. Click on Same as Applicant. There we go. And we click Next. This will pop up. We can click Cancel and ignore this. And now we have a summary of our grade. Classical and Jazz, Solo, Grade 1, Classical Guitar, and it says DGD Digital Technical. Aaron Palmer in this case, and here is the exam fee, which is £51 for Grade 1. It'll be £46 if you're doing initial. If any details are incorrect at this point, we can click here and deal with it, or remove, or go back. We check all the details. Do check carefully, because at this point, this name here is how it's going to appear on the certificate. We check the details, and here we click that we have consent from everybody, privacy statement and terms and conditions. Now we can go to payment. Now at this point, I've already got an account on the Trinity website, so I can just confirm my password. You're going to have to sign up to move forward to payment. So I'm just going to put my details in here, and I'm going to continue and log in here, and I'm logged in. Now it's going to go to payment, and I'm going to check that's all fine. That's all fine. I click Next. Payment details. Let's try that again. Okay, here we go. And we're ready to pay. And hopefully this is going to work. And we've got our confirmation page. Thank you for booking. Booking reference You don't really need to worry about this because you're going to get an email anyway. You'll receive booking confirmation by email shortly. So we're all done on the booking. There's nothing else to do on this page. The next thing to do is to check your email and go on from there. So we'll look at that in just a moment. Okay, so we've just had our confirmation on the Trinity webpage, and we look in the inbox and we see that we have received these two emails: Trinity no reply, exam booking confirmation, which has got all the information confirmed here. What happens next? Well, first of all, if there are any errors, now's the time to point them out. And this thing here is saying that you're going to receive later, you're going to receive another email with the login details to actually upload the video itself. So that's not actually in this email. That hasn't been sent yet. Let's go back to the inbox. We've also got another one here. This is very similar. Basically says the same things. So that's confirmation of our booking. And we're going to wait for another email which will have the login details to actually upload the exam.